Right, welcome back to the channel. Breaking away from the Triumph just while I wait for parts to arrive. I thought I'd pull out the carbs of the Z650 that have given me so much hassle. They've been apart now 2 or 3 times, still not actually working properly. Big thank you to everybody that's actually sent me messages, left comments. It is really appreciated. So they're back out on the bench. They are holding fuel, so I had to drain it out and it wasn't pretty. It's almost like oily petrol. So I'll show you in a second, because I had a gentleman say, are the slides actually going all the way down? So I'll show that. But I think the best thing is to basically strip apart again, run them through the ultrasonic cleaner, have a look at the floats, maybe change the floats. I do have some new ones, and just see if I can get to the bottom of why these don't seem to be putting fuel through properly. Did have a few fire ups, but didn't hold anything and just died again. Seems to just race and then back again. I have had a few comments on the actual jet in the bottom of the float, but I seem to see it in the manual as it had to be turned out, but everybody's saying no, it should be tight. So again, I'll take them all out, but when we install them, I'll probably split this over 2 videos. One to strip down, have a look, clean, because the ultrasonic's going to take a while, and one to actually reassemble, check everything. Again, as many comments, as much feedback as I can get. You can message me, you can get me on Facebook. There's a link in the description to Facebook if you prefer that way. So let me bring you in, have a look, and also I really apologise, I've forgotten the gentleman's name that wanted to actually have a look at the slides to make sure they were actually going all the way down. So let me get set up and I'll show that. So let me focus on the centre 2. There is a bit of a gap. I say the outer 2 are exactly the same height. I did understand, as I say, when I come to edit this, I'll actually put the gentleman's name up, but for the life of me at the moment I cannot remember. But I remember him saying that if you could take a photo or show it on a video of the actual floats, the actual slides. So that is fully up, where they do disappear up inside, but then down, as you can see, there is a visible gap. Yeah, to give you an idea, I can actually nearly get my smallest fingernail under it. Yeah, on each side. So should these slides be coming down further, as I say, they're all the same. So as you can see there, try and get the right angle, but you can just see my finger wagging the other side. I say, and all of them are just caked in oily petrol. So that's the state of them as they are, and I hope the gentleman that did ask the question about the actual slides, I hope that clarifies, because yeah, I see what you mean. Do they need to come down further? Is there a blockage in there that's stopping them coming down, or is that actually the right height? for them to come down. And so it doesn't seem to go any further. But let me turn them upside down and we'll start taking off the actual float chambers. Yeah, the actual jet everybody was on about is that one down in there. As I say, I think for now we'll actually take all this out again, lay everything out and clean everything and start again. I mean, I even wondered at one stage, get a better angle, whether I had these floats in actually the right way round. But then checking the manual, that stopper should be that way. But again, correct me if I'm wrong. Right, let's get all these bits out. So I'm just literally laying out. You can see the fuel still left in and does look old and stale, which is strange. Right, let's get these jets out from in there. Well, actually they are, obviously I must have redone them when I went back in, but they are in all the way. I will still bring them out anyway, because obviously I'll need that for re-cleaning them. That's the fourth. So they were actually in all the way. Right, so now we've done with bases. Right, let's get it the right way. So that's everything as it is sitting on the bike with the engine in front. Yeah, that's quite an interesting one. The bit I showed you earlier when we were looking at the slides. Now I've released everything. You remember before I could actually get part of my fingernail underneath. It doesn't seem to anymore. Also looking at it, these two seem slightly higher and the other two. But no, so really, let me know. So I'm going to have to split these to actually put them in my ultrasonic, because I can only get one in at a time. But like I say, we'll come back to this in a separate episode. I did check the adjuster, that wasn't through very far, so why they've suddenly gone back down even further, it's a bit beyond me. Right, actually the last thing I'm going to do is actually take these slides. Right, so everything's undone. That should be just a case of pushing this bar through. That's the first slide. Right, there's the second. Actually put the bolts back through. Right, so that's all the slides out. The bar I'll leave in the same position. Yeah, it's just, so I'll be giving him another good clean out. Well, I think we'll leave it for there. Right, I think we'll leave it there for now. And like I say, if you can comment, message, if you want to pop across to Facebook, whatever is easier for you, I'd love to hear from people. So there doesn't seem to be any other hidden jets anywhere. Well, actually no, we've got these ones. Right, let's quickly take those out. I'll check the settings on those again. Right, so I'm going to leave everything as it is laid out on the bench. I will start to clean through these actual carb bits. Obviously I'll give it time until this video is released. Give people a chance to actually have a look. If you can study it and help, absolutely phenomenal. I appreciate it so much. Something's not quite right, but it's just trying to get to the bottom of what the problem is. I think these are probably the only carbs I've ever had an issue setting up. Every other carb seemed to be okay. Even when I did the Z1000 a long time ago, the carbs, that was just basically strip them down, clean them out, replace the parts, new gaskets, put them back together again, and everything works, it fired up. But this one, it just won't. It nearly goes, but not quite. So if anybody's seen anything that's not quite right, please let me know. I really appreciate it. As I say, either in the comments box below, you can private message me, you can pop across to my Facebook, which is a link in the description, and you can message me there. Whatever way is comfortable for you, I'm more than happy. So we'll leave it there for now, and we will come back to this as soon as I have more answers and I've got the cleaning done. So again, there are links to other videos at the end of the video. As always, appreciate your support, appreciate your help. Thanks for watching. Join me again next time. Cheers. Bye.